Okay, now we're going to cite our first source, which is our Fahrenheit 451 book. So you want to make sure you have your project open. So to open it, you're going to click just on the project title. And we're going to come up here to the right-hand corner and click on New Source. Our new source is our actual book, so it's in print or in hand. So you're going to click on that, and then you're going to select Book. That's going to open up this new field where you have a lot of things you can fill out. But books are super easy to cite in Noodle Tools because all you have to do is insert the ISBN. So the ISBN is also known as the barcode number, the UPC code that's on the back of the book. So the one that you guys are using is 978 145 167 3319. And then you'll click search. And it's going to come up right down here. This is the result. It came up with that ISBN number. So we're going to click on that to highlight it blue and then click import selected source. It's going to open up another form. It's just asking you if there's anything you want to add or review or change. We're just going to accept it as is, and we're going to click continue. It's going to fill in all of the information for you down here. So it filled out that form. So now all we have to do is click save. And now that source is listed right here. So from here, you could go ahead and do your note card or note cards from that source. To do that, you're just going to click on new, and that will open up a note card. It's already got the source linked. So this is from your Fahrenheit 451 book. Over here on the left is where you can copy and paste and annotate. So if I know, like, for example, maybe on a specific page, maybe page 56, I really liked that the book said something about book burning is the way of the new world. Okay, so maybe that's a direct quote from that on that page of the book, for example. So I'm going to put that right here, my direct quote. Over on the right is where you would paraphrase or summarize, tell what you learned from this quote. What did you learn? How can you use this in your essay? Anything you want to write about that quote. And then down here where it says my ideas, these are just things you can think of. So maybe now from reading that, I want to research, have there been any recent book burnings in our society? Because maybe there have been and we just haven't heard about them. So maybe that's something new you want to research. The last thing you have to do is come up here and give your note card a title. So I might call this one, book burning. Oh my goodness. And then I'm going to click save and close. Next, you'll see right here next to it the number 1. That means we have a new note card, one note card from this source. So I can do as many note cards as I want from that actual book. So maybe there's 5 quotes you want to talk about. So you can do 5 note cards on those quotes. If you click over here under note cards and tabletop view, this is where your note cards will show up as you create them. You can change them to different colors. So if you have several about book burning, you can make them all blue. They all have to have a different title, so you might have to put like book burning 1, book burning 2. But there you can change the colors. The other thing that's really helpful with this is if I go back to sources, so I clicked on sources right here. If I come over here and click on this 3 little dots, you can click on in-text citation, and it's going to create an in-text citation for you right up here. Okay, so all I have to do is write down here, maybe this is from page 56, I'm doing this in-text citation. All I have to do now is copy this and paste it into your essay, and it does the in-text citation for you, so you don't have to worry about if you have it done correctly. So that is how you're going to cite your Fahrenheit 451 book and then do some note cards from it.